Hello friends, welcome to a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to enable store pickup in your Shopify store. So for some of the customers, they won't be having any option for shipping. So they will be only having store pickup option for their Shopify store. So for doing this one, we have to disable all the shipping methods and enable only the pickup location. So people can just select this one and they can just enter the billing address and place the order. Okay, once the order is placed, they will be able to go and pick up at the store or the location. Okay, so I will show you how to do that. Okay. So for that, I'm taking a development store and you have to go to settings. Okay, so I'll be showing you the checkout page for the store now. So here we are having the shipping details. Okay, so basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to disable this shipping option. Okay, for that you can go to settings and go to shipping and delivery, and here you can go to the shipping profile and you can delete all the zones. Okay, I'm going to delete all the zones and just click on save. Okay, so now there is no zones available for people to select. And now I'm going back and go to locations. Okay, and here I'm going to click on the default location and enter the address. Okay, this address should be verified address. Okay, the address should be verified, then only we will be able to enable store pickup option. Okay, once I save this option, I can also amplify phone number and save it. Okay, now once you are done, you can go back to shipping and delivery and you can scroll down and you can see the option called local pickup. Okay, so just click on this one and enable this location of a local pickup. Okay, and you can select the options like it will be ready within 2 hours, 4 hours, 24 hours, or 2 to 4 days or 5 days plus. You can enable this one. Okay, so I'm going to select 2 to 4 days. Okay, and I can also enter the details here and I can also mention the details. Okay, bring a confirmation email or order ID when you come to collect your order. Okay, for coming, please call to confirm the order. Just mention any message that you want. Okay, and after that you can just click on save, and once you are done you can go back to the checkout page and refresh the page. Okay, now you can see that it's only having shop location. Okay, so now they cannot enter the shipping address for getting the product. Okay, so they can only go to this location and pick up the product. Okay, if you want to disable this payment, you can also disable that. Okay, in the earlier example we have disabled the online payment also. Okay, so if you want to disable this one, you can also do that from the settings. Okay, so hope you understand how to enable only pickup location in your Shopify checkout. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.